Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So we are back with wholesome new question which says the number of solution of this. Okay. So look at this how we will solve this problem. I feel that both the side these guys are using log. Okay. So we guys can compare. But the point is you guys can only compare if the base are equal. Okay, this means we have problem with the base 4. So what I will do, I will use the property this, that I can write log a base b as log a by log b. So we guys can write down this thing as log x minus 1 upon log 4 and remaining thing as it is log x minus 3 base 2. Now we guys can write down this 4 as 2 square. We have one more property that log a power k. So if anything is in the power of argument will come at coefficient. So I can write down 2 at the coefficient. So we guys will have 1 by 2 log x minus 1 upon log 2 log x minus 3 base 2. Now look at this. I'll club these two things again and send this 2 to this side. So we will be left with log x minus 1 base 2 equals 2 times log base 2 x minus 3. Now again we are having problem. We guys made log base to be equal, but we have problem with the coefficient. So what I will do, I will apply the reverse property of this. So if anything is in the power of argument can come to coefficient, so the coefficient also can go to the power x minus 3 square. Okay, now we guys are ready to compare the argument. Is that okay? Now we have x minus 1 equals x minus 3 whole square. So it is a square plus b square minus 2ab x minus 1. Okay, so look at this part. Now send everything on one side, so it will be x square minus 7x plus 10 equals to 0. So x square minus 5x minus 2x plus 10. So if you factorize, you will get x minus 5, x minus 2 equals to 0. So the value of x comes out to be 2 and 5. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to cross check whether it is correct or wrong. So suppose you are checking whether 2 can be the answer, yes or no. So if you will substitute 2 over here in the argument of this, it is okay. You know that log a to the base b is a number. When raised on b produces a for all a and b greater than 0. But here if you will put a to be 2, so it is okay. But here if you will put x to be 2 now, it will become minus 1. So this means that this x equals to 2 is an invalid answer. Now you have to go and check 5. So if you'll put 5, it will become 4, so it is okay. If you'll put, it will become 2, it is okay. Therefore the required value of x becomes 5. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.